Have you ever wondered what goes on in the microscopic world of your cells? Well, let's dive in. Cells, these tiny building blocks of life, are performing a dance of life right under your skin, unseen by the naked eye. They're the unsung heroes, ensuring our bodies function optimally, keeping us healthy and vibrant. Without them, there would be no us. Cells are like mini factories, each with a specific role to play. They grow, divide, and repair themselves. They're keeping our bodies in good working order. Need energy to go for a run or simply breathe? You can thank your cells for that. They're the powerhouses that convert food into energy, keeping us up and running. But that's not all. Cells also have the magical ability to reproduce, ensuring that life continues, generation after generation. Each cell, in its own way, contributes to the beautiful tapestry of life. In this video, we dive into the fascinating world of cell functions. Cells, tiny as they are, perform a multitude of tasks vital to life. Picture a bustling city, with everyone working diligently at their jobs. This is what our cells are doing, each and every moment of our lives. First and foremost, cells provide structure. Much like the buildings and infrastructure in our city analogy, cells give shape to our bodies. They form our bones, our skin, our organs. They are the bricks and mortar of our biological architecture, creating a cohesive, functional unit that we recognize as us. But cells do more than just provide structure. They are also our body's nutritionists. They take in nutrients from the food we eat, breaking it down into simpler forms. These nutrients are then converted into energy through a process known as cellular respiration. It's rather like a power plant, converting fuel into usable energy to keep the city running. And that's not all. Our cells are also specialist workers. Each cell has a unique role to play, much like the various professionals in a city. Some cells pump blood, others transmit information in the form of nerve signals, others still defend the body against harmful invaders. Each cell is a specialist, performing a specific function that contributes to the overall health and functioning of the body. Finally, cells have an incredible ability to replicate. When our tissues are damaged, cells divide and multiply to replace the lost or injured cells, much like a construction crew repairing a damaged building. This process of cell division, or mitosis, is how our bodies heal themselves. It's a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life, all happening at a microscopic level. In a nutshell, our cells are tireless workers, performing a myriad of tasks that keep us alive and well. They provide structure, convert nutrients into energy, carry out specialized functions, and heal our bodies through replication. These microscopic powerhouses function non-stop, ensuring our bodies work smoothly. At the heart of every cell's operation lies the mighty DNA. It's like the master architect, holding the grand design for every living organism. This remarkable molecule is packed with instructions necessary for the organism to develop, survive, and reproduce. So how does this work? Every DNA molecule is like a library of life, containing volumes of information in the form of genes. These genes act as blueprints to build proteins, the fundamental building blocks of life. These proteins, in turn, perform a multitude of roles within organisms. They can be enzymes, speeding up chemical reactions, or antibodies, defending against invading microbes. They can be structural proteins, providing support to cells and tissues, or transport proteins, shuttling vital molecules throughout the body. In essence, DNA is the director of the grand opera that is life. It orchestrates the production of the necessary actors, the proteins, to ensure the cell functions as it should. DNA, the blueprint of life, is central to a cell's function. So, we've unraveled the mystery of cell functions, but what does it all mean? It all boils down to this. Cells, despite their minute size, are the fundamental units of life, the building blocks that shape every living organism. They're not just passive spectators in the grand play of life, but active participants, performing a myriad of life-sustaining functions. From producing energy, synthesizing proteins, to disposing of waste, cells are tireless workers, the unsung heroes of our bodily functions. And let's not forget the star of the show, DNA. The blueprint of life, DNA guides these cellular functions with a level of precision that is nothing short of awe-inspiring. DNA ensures the continuity and diversity of life, from generation to generation. In essence, understanding cell functions is akin to understanding the very essence of life. Cells may be tiny, but their functions are mighty and essential to life as we know it.